Welcome to the AI Unraveled Weekly Masterclass, your definitive briefing on how artificial intelligence is rewriting business, technology, and human society. It is Sunday, April 5th, 2026. I'm your co-host, Anna. Today's episode is brought to you by DjamgaMind. In a week where OpenAI is buying media networks and enterprise data centers are stalling, you cannot rely on hype. DjamgaMind delivers technical-grade, human-verified audio forensics across healthcare, finance, and enterprise tech to help the C-suite navigate these exact market shifts. Visit DjamgaMind.com. The first week of April 2026 just rewrote the fundamental laws of gravity for the global economy. We begin with the largest private fundraising event in human history. OpenAI has just closed a $122 billion round at a staggering $852 billion valuation. But behind the money is massive internal turbulence. Top executives are stepping back. The company is buying up independent media networks to control its IPO narrative, and investors on the secondary market are desperately trying to dump $600 million in OpenAI stock to flee to Anthropic. And if you want to understand absolute leverage, look at Elon Musk. As SpaceX files for a record-breaking $1.75 trillion IPO, Musk is literally extorting the world's biggest banks, forcing them to buy tens of millions of dollars in Grok AI subscriptions just to get a seat at the underwriting table. But while the software valuations touch the trillions, the physical world is hitting a brick wall. We look at the chilling new data showing that 50% of all planned U.S. data centers are delayed or canceled due to a massive global shortage of transformers and Chinese battery imports. From a solo founder using AI to build a $1.8 billion healthcare empire from his living room, to a major data breach at Meta and 100 autonomous taxis freezing in the middle of Wuhan, this is the friction of the future. Let's unravel the week.